All right, so we're gonna show you exactly how to, if you need to, trade out for an extended insert. So if your Jeep is lifted, we wanna show you exactly how this is accomplished. Luke's gonna go ahead and pop the upper assembly right off. I'm then gonna go ahead and remove each one. You're gonna put the 3 holes to the top, 2 holes to the bottom, and I suggest going ahead and just put it to the 2nd hole or measure your Jeep accordingly for the clearance. Now that that's in place, Luke can go ahead and we'll help line this up. Okay. And we'll just go ahead and lower it down a little bit to the 1st hole. And we'll go ahead and put these pins in. You may have to just wiggle a little bit. It'll pop right in, no problem. Each side. And now your new insert is installed.